Welcome to Weldman. TIG welding is another name for gas tungsten arc welding. These portable welding machines are designed using superior grade raw material and excellent quality component by our skilled professionals. With feature of single-phase and three-phase inverter-based, high efficiency and high power factor heavy-duty DC rectifier, portability to be able to use the machine anywhere. Machines are suitable for all kind of acidic, basic stainless steel, cellulosic and low hydrogen alloy electrodes in all welding positions. TIG welding can be done with the machine.